Greetings, YouTubers. I have here in my grubby little protuberances 2 bottles of Coca-Cola. The real thing, if you'll believe the hype. Now, this one is a typical American bottle and contains the dreaded High Fructose Corn Syrup. This one is imported from Mexico and has real cane sugar. A little while ago, actually probably quite a while ago now, when Pepsi Throwback and Mountain Dew Throwback came out, I did a taste test, which sadly I never recorded, and I found that I actually prefer the taste of the High Fructose Corn Syrup, which, that's not uncharacteristic for me. I prefer the taste of something that's bad for me. Yeah. So I thought I'd do a blind taste test. Unfortunately, unlike the previous 2 blind taste tests that I've shot, well, I shot 2 of them, only 1 is up so far. These are in distinctly different containers, so I can tell what's in them by feeling them. The others were in cans. So, going to have to pour them into glasses here. On the coasters, now this one, I have a yellow star for the corn syrup, and this one a silver, white, whatever star for the sugar.
If you find your hands and underarms are bleeding, your beer bottle might not have a twist on it.
This time I'm tilting the glass and doing it while looking into a tiny camera screen, so it'll probably still overflow or spill. Oh, that's not too bad. Right. Huh. Smaller looking bottles that are actually larger. Roll! Just to be sure here. Yep, that's definitely the silver sugar one. To clear the palate in between, I have this Keebler Export Soda!
La Original.
Almost certainly stale.
It's probably just a guideline.
So, time to blindfold myself. This is almost enough to do it, huh? He wore a blue blindfold. It wasn't velvet, it was cloth. Okay, so velvet is a cloth, but who cares? Maybe I shouldn't make up this song as I go along unawares. Okay, so don't know how many times I've twisted this, and just to be extra sure, my eyes are closed under the blindfold. Of course, one problem is I have no idea if this will ever be captured on the camera, or if I'll be about here, or, you know, the equivalent thereof. Alright, so, well, just start with this one. I usually drink with my left hand. There's my cracker. Okay, here's my cracker, ready to... Yep. Slightly stale. I don't know. That would be cracker taste test. Leaning towards this one. Oh, come on, I'm drinking a carbonated beverage, and that's kind of a given that I would do that, isn't it? I'm suppressing another bodily function in my eyes right now. If I was tasting chili, then that might appear in the video. Okay, I'm going to say that this is the High Fructose Corn Syrup, and this is the sugar. Now, let's see here. Let's get the mini cam for the close-up. Let's say this is the High Fructose Corn Syrup, this is the sugar, right? Look at that, even though I already showed it in a close-up. As if well, there have been some stops. Stupid batteries. So, I actually passed a taste test. And right now this camera is recording the inside of my wrist here. Ooh, buckly. Yeah, not the best angle. Best I could do it. It's really short notice. I don't know. Well, whatever. I need to get to sleep, but in the meantime, maybe I can get to the end of the Cell saga. Finally. At least it's not as padded as the Frieza arc. And again, I've seen mattresses that weren't as padded as the Frieza arc. Good mattresses. This thing is still running.